everyone, Rachel's here and welcome to Rachel's channel. So this is the day 3 of my 30 days challenge, my creative corner, and on this day I will clean up the space. So on this video probably you will only see me cleaning up but it's alright because that is the process. Okay, so on to the cleaning up session. So this is how the space looks. It's empty now, and I think this space will be enough. I move this this one a little bit so that I will have more space. And okay, should we try to sit in here? Okay, I'm gonna try it. So I fit in here. It will be nice if the set is like this. So I think I'm gonna clean this one and arrange this later so that I have a nice view if I join the class or webinars. I think this one will be nice, will be okay. So that's all for day 3 and see you on the next video.